Welcome to Listen and Comprehend English. For more lessons, subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this lesson, you'll listen to a recording related to a ticket from UK trains. Listen to the recording and answer the questions related to the recording. So let's get started. Class, STD, ticket type single, passenger type adult, date valid 10th July 2014, ticket number 20124441222637. From Manchester to Liverpool, price £16.50. This is the end of the recording. Now answer some questions related to the recording and do the exercises to practice and improve your reading skills. Preparation. Circle the best option to complete these sentences. You can take a train at the bus station or train station. At a train station, you need a train ticket or passport. Check your understanding, true or false. Circle true or false for these sentences. This is a single ticket, true or false. This is a child's ticket, true or false. This ticket costs £16.50, true or false. This ticket is for trains to London, true or false. This ticket is for trains leaving Liverpool, true or false. Check your understanding. Matching. Match the vocabulary with the correct definition and write A to E next to the number 1 to 5. The train is going. The train is leaving. This is. This train ticket costs. The date on the ticket is A. From Manchester, B. £16.50, C. 10th July 2014, D. An adult ticket, E. To Liverpool. This is the end of the recording. The answers are given at the end of the video.